how to view sent follow request list on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Then tap on the three horizontal lines available in the top right corner of your screen. And once you're inside it, you'll get to see settings and privacy. Now from there, tap on the Your Activity option available there. Once you're inside the Your Activity, simply scroll down and look for the Download option available there and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be navigated to your accounts. Now simply tap on the Download option available there. Then tap on the All Available Information. Once you tap on the all available information, simply tap on download to device and continue. Here all you have to do is choose a date range of from where do you want to download your information and add your email, and Instagram will send you a PDF of whole information of your Instagram, your follow request and all in that email. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.